Today, I'll show you step by step how to use AI to quickly create professional night lighting designs. Simply add text annotations directly on the image to control the lighting color temperature and instantly switch between different lighting atmospheres. It also allows precise lighting control directly on the original image. With this newly upgraded lighting design tool, you can precisely control the lighting effect using 4 methods: area selection, text annotation, line drawing, and light texture mapping. In the past, creating night lighting renderings could cost hundreds of dollars. Do-it-yourself often means spending hours rendering. We launched 2 upgraded lighting design tools to solve this problem, including architecture, landscape, interior spaces, and aerial views. Simply visit the Archmaster AI website, and you can get started immediately. Next, I'll walk you through the detailed workflow step by step. 1. Architectural lighting applications. After opening the one-click night lighting tool, upload your daytime rendering. The default v2.0 version includes multiple preset lighting styles that can generate different night lighting effects. These include warm light strips, cool light strips, and neon lighting effects. In addition to AI preset lighting styles, the tool also supports 4 precise lighting control methods, which are the key updates in this new lighting tool. These include area selection control, text annotation control, line graffiti control, and light texture control. The workflow is as follows. First, let's look at text annotation control. Click the text button on the right side of the interface. Mark the desired lighting position on the image. Then enter a prompt describing the lighting effect. The AI will automatically generate the lighting effect based on your description. You can also specify different lighting effects. The color temperature of different areas can create a variety of lighting effects. If detailed lighting instructions are needed, you can also add arrows to provide clearer guidance. For example, you can point to a specific area and label it with instructions, such as contour lighting, flood lighting, or ground lighting. After entering the prompt, AI will generate lighting effects based on your arrows and text commands. With just a few simple steps, you can quickly create professional lighting designs. If you want to create a cool lighting atmosphere, simply select the cool night lighting style to generate a complete cool lighting design. If you choose cool light strips, the marked outline lighting area will be automatically updated to the cold light bar effect. Next is area selection control. After uploading the daytime rendering, use the shape tool to draw colored boxes around areas that need adjustment. Then enter the corresponding prompts. The system will generate accurate lighting effects based on these instructions. Next is line drawing control. Using the shape tool, you can draw lines in specific locations where you want to add lighting strips. Then enter a description. After clicking Generate, the tool will create lighting effects along the drawn line. Finally, there is light texture control. The interface provides a library of lighting texture assets, and you can also upload your own light textures. Simply place the lighting texture in the desired position on the image, and the system will generate the corresponding lighting effect. The lighting placement is highly accurate. 2. Landscape and aerial lighting applications. The tool also performs well in landscape and aerial lighting scenarios. It can be used for landscape sculpture lighting, tree lighting, bridge lighting, road lighting. Can all be generated through line control or text control. The aerial lighting effects generated by the tool are also highly professional. 3. Indoor lighting applications. For interior lighting design, you can use the AI one-click interior lighting tool, which can be accessed directly in the AI tool interface. Whether for residential interior lighting or exhibition lighting design, the tool can generate high-quality lighting effects. It also supports area selection, text prompts, line drawing, and light texture mapping to precisely control interior lighting effects. Meet the diverse needs of indoor lighting design. These are the main applications of this lighting design tool. Try it now on Archmaster AI.